Today we will learn about the concept of SQL with real-world example. Use of SQL. Major commands in SQL. Platform for SQL. And summary. So, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Means in SQL we need some query with proper syntax to do some jobs. Let's take an example. If you enter in a library, you can see that lot of books are kept in a shelf, in a sequence manner. Each shelf has more than one rows and columns. This shelf is known as table in SQL, and more than one shelf present in a library is called a database in SQL. Let's take in another part of this example. In a library, one may take his or her favorite book from the shelf for reading. That means he or she selecting a book. Put a new book on the empty rack of shelf. That means he or she inserting a book. Librarian can remove those books from racks, which are useless, means deleting, or replaced it with new book, instead of old book, means updating. If we assume book as a data, and shelf as a table, and library as a database, then we can say that the concept and functionality of SQL is similar like this. We can do similar jobs like inserting, updating, deleting, fetching the data from the database according to our requirement in SQL. For writing SQL query, we need to understand some basic key commands. Those are create, use to create a table, insert, insert a data in a table, update, use to update any data in a table, delete, use to delete any data from table, alter, use to modify any data for a particular row, column, and table, drop, to delete a table from database. In next video, we will learn about these commands in detail. But before that we need to install XAMPP server in our machine where we learn how to make a database, table, and write a query with those commands, and also see the results. So what we have learned till now. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. We can related the concept and functionality of SQL with the real-world example of library. We can create, insert, update, delete any data from database by SQL query. The basic commands in SQL is create, insert, update, delete, drop, alter.